Okay, here we go. Hello, dear students. This is me again. Welcome to Interactive Spot class. Well, today we're going to do a wrap up of all our second term activities. So, welcome to this session. Here, I'm going to start by showing you this presentation that I have created for you to know what to do during this fortnightly plan number 8, which comes from November the 25th till December the 1st. All right. So my first suggestion or instruction is for you to please make a checklist. It could be in a notebook, it could be in a piece of paper, all right, in which you can see if you have already done all the activities proposed for interactive spot classes, okay? Remember that in this class we always reinforce your linguistic abilities in English: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Those are the 4 skills that we work in this class. So that's why it's important for you to know what kind of activities we have proposed for this class. And the first one was head sprout or vocabulary regarding listening. We also did a running record. We also listened, read, and took a quiz about a story in Kids A to Z. And finally, the last challenge that you had was to write a story based on a series of pictures in Blog de Notas. Okay, all those activities, of course, are in teams. Okay, remember that if you are in any grade, third, first, fifth grade, well, you will find all the instructions in my channel, okay, in the second term. So I want you to please take a piece of paper and make the checklist, okay? Check if you already did this activity. We did it. We play a spelling bee. We did a show and tell activity in class. And in here, these are the most important ones because this is the activity that we started with asynchronous classes. So this one was the running record. And then we had a vocabulary activity that you had to do. Then we apply another activity that had to do with head sprout. And we had another one, reading a story, okay? And finally, writing a story with the previous tutorial that I sent you through Teams, okay? So, well, check very well if you finish all the activities that are established in here in interactive spot class. Okay, I noticed that some of you already finished the story picture. Fantastic. The ones who didn't, well, you can finish today. Don't worry, you can finish today in the session of this class corresponding to this fortnight. Well, what happens if you finish all the activities? Well, I'm going to invite you to take the self-evaluation in forms, okay? So I created a form activity for you to know that exact evaluation that you will take. It's called self-evaluation interactive spot. In here, you will have to fill out your personal information. You have to select your class, and you have to be honest and answer these questions in the best way you can. For example, I finish all the activities of interactive spot. So you say, I always finish, or yes, I finish, or sometimes, or no, actually, never. Well, you have to be honest and respond the answers in a very accurate way, okay? It was very easy for me to follow the instructions in asynchronous classes where you say always, or yes, or definitely no, or never, or well, I don't know. I love asynchronous classes, or I prefer to see the teacher in class. I finished the story picture in Blog de Notas. It's difficult to understand instructions in Teams. Well, I want to know your opinion, so please be honest and tell me if you understand all of these issues regarding the interactive spot class. Well, I visit Kids A to Z. My score for behavior, so it's important to know how is your behavior in interactive spot class. Probably, no, I get distracted playing or watching videos or playing video games, or I don't do the activities in the interactive spot class, or well, whatever. So please write a number in here. In here, it only accepts numbers, okay? This is the score for your self-behavior, the behavior that you had in classes, okay? So if you follow all the instructions, you follow all the rules, well, you can have a 100, okay? Now, don't forget to leave a comment to the teacher. You can say, thank you, teacher, thank you for the classes, or I want to see you again, or well, I don't know. You can say something, and then you click on enviar, all right? So once you finish, well, you can also go to level up. If you still have time, you can go to level up in Kids A to Z. So my suggestion is that you could go to the Reading Planet, and in here, in the Reading Planet in Kids A to Z, there is a spaceship that is called Level Up. Some of you visit this spaceship frequently, some others not much. So please, if you finish all the activities and you finish the self-evaluation as well, and you still have time, the idea is that you can visit Level Up. In here, for example, this student is in level B and has 5 tasks to go to the level C. So what is the task? The task is these little icons that are here: listen, reading, quiz. Okay, so I'm going to put it a little bit bigger for you to understand. Notice that in here there are some, for example, in this case, there are some tasks like this one, some tasks like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to pass to the level C. The idea is that everybody has to pass to the other level at the end of the year. Okay, so please read 1 story or 2 stories, well, depending on your time, to move to the next level. All right, so if you finish all these activities, well, you will be able to improve your activities. Remember that if you are in 3rd grade, 4th grade, or 5th grade, you will have a different layout. So the level up, it's in here in reading. Not, you don't have the planets, right? But in here in level up, you will find all the activities that you could do. So for example, this student is in the Q level and has just 2 tasks left to pass to the R level. Okay, we're moving from A to Z. That's why it's called Kids A to Z. So the idea is that you move to the next level. Okay, so in here you can choose 1 story or 2 stories and do the activities to move to the next level. Okay, so that's the instructions for today. As I said, please make the checklist. That's the most important. Make the checklist. If you finish all the activities, then you can take the self-evaluation or and taking the level up in Kids A to Z. All right. So that's all I wanted to tell you today. Thank you so much.